Are you ready to build, ride and innovate? Say hello to the Avishkaar MEX Build-a-Bike Kit, the ultimate DIY adventures for young innovators. Inside this box, you'll find everything you need to build your own garage of ultimate vehicles. Let's check it out. The first thing I can see is the manual. This will be your Bible to create different rides. It comes with 3D images and clear step-by-step instructions, making sure learning is easy and exciting. Next, we have different packs filled with 150 plus components, which will be the building blocks of each model you create. From beams to chains and big wheels, this kit has it all. Next, let's open the electronics box. The first thing we see is the engine of your bikes, the MEX motor. Made from high-grade material, it ensures your bike can take over all terrains with ease. And here's the game changer, the Avishkaar MEX Core. We've upgraded the power supply, so no more disconnections, just smooth, uninterrupted rides every time. With the MEX Build-a-Bike Kit, you can create 4 amazing models, each with its own style and performance. Which one will you build first? Let me know in the comment section below. You can also control your bikes with the Avishkaar app. Just connect and ride away. Do you want to go beyond just playing with it? Use the AMS platform to program your bike with block coding and AI features. Control your bike with hand gestures, voice commands and body poses. Why even buy a regular toy bike when you can build your own, right? Get your MEX Build-a-Bike Kit today, because the best bikes are the ones you create. Say hello